Instagram DM not working, how to fix messages not received. If you're not being able to receive messages on an Instagram DM, it could be that you might have disabled a message setting. In this case, you want to simply launch the Instagram app and come to your profile page. Tap the three lines icon located from the very top right hand side, and when you've done that, you might have to scroll down under this option called Messages and Story Replies. Tap on Messages and Story Replies and see if you have enabled message requests. So if you have not enabled message requests and set this to no one, then no one will be able to message you. So of course you might have to set this to your followers or at least everyone, and then only they should be able to send you messages. If this is not the case, you're not being able to receive messages, check if there is any type of limitations imposed on your Instagram account, because sometimes that could also be the case. If you're using the Instagram app on the mobile phone, try to uninstall the app on both Android and iPhones and try to reinstall as well. Also check for updates on the Play Store or the App Store for Instagram app and update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.